Understanding your vehicle's warning lights is crucial for safety and preventing costly repairs. Today, we'll examine three critical warning systems: airbag faults, engine temperature, and transmission temperature. The airbag fault light indicates a malfunction in your vehicle's supplemental restraint system, or SRS. This is one of the most critical warning lights because it directly affects your safety in a collision. When this warning appears on your dashboard, it means your airbags may not deploy in a crash, or worse, they could deploy unexpectedly while driving. This makes immediate attention essential. The SRS system includes multiple components working together: airbags, sensors, wiring, and control modules. A failure in any of these components can trigger the warning light. Common causes include faulty impact sensors, damaged wiring harnesses, clock spring failure in the steering wheel, seatbelt pretensioner issues, and even low battery voltage affecting system calibration. The clock spring is a particularly common failure point. This component maintains electrical connection to the airbag in your steering wheel while allowing it to rotate freely. The engine temperature warning light monitors your engine's coolant temperature. When this light appears, your engine is running too hot and immediate action is required to prevent serious damage. Normal engine operating temperature ranges from 195 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The warning light typically activates when temperature exceeds 240 degrees, indicating overheating. The cooling system is complex, involving the radiator, water pump, thermostat, coolant hoses, and cooling fans. A failure in any component can cause overheating. Common causes of engine overheating include coolant leaks, thermostat malfunction, water pump failure, radiator blockage from debris, cooling fan failure, and head gasket problems. The transmission temperature warning light monitors your automatic transmission fluid temperature. Transmission fluid serves as both lubricant and hydraulic fluid, making temperature control critical for proper operation. Normal transmission fluid temperature ranges from 175 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The warning activates around 250 degrees, with damage risk beginning at 275 degrees and above. Transmission overheating commonly occurs during heavy towing, stop-and-go traffic, or when transmission fluid is low or degraded. The transmission cooler, usually located in the radiator, helps maintain proper temperature. Common triggers for transmission overheating include heavy towing loads, extended stop-and-go driving, low or contaminated transmission fluid, clogged transmission cooler, and internal transmission component wear. Understanding these warning lights helps you respond appropriately when they appear. Each system plays a vital role in vehicle safety and performance, making prompt attention essential when warnings occur. Modern vehicles are equipped with sophisticated diagnostic systems that make troubleshooting warning lights more precise than ever before. These systems provide multi-stage warnings and can even transmit fault codes directly to service centers. The foundation of modern troubleshooting is the OBD2 diagnostic system. This standardized port allows technicians to read fault codes and monitor real-time vehicle data. Beyond basic OBD scanning, modern troubleshooting employs specialized tools. Thermal imaging helps identify overheating components, while oscilloscopes detect intermittent electrical faults that traditional meters might miss. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance schedules are crucial for avoiding warning light activation. Coolant systems should be serviced every 30 to 50,000 miles, while transmission service intervals range from 60 to 100,000 miles. Battery maintenance deserves special attention, as it's critical for airbag system reliability. Corroded terminals can cause intermittent electrical faults that trigger warning lights. Finally, be alert for early warning signs that appear before dashboard lights activate. These include unusual noises, vibrations, gradual temperature increases, intermittent electrical issues, and any fluid leaks or unusual odors. Remember, modern diagnostic systems are highly accurate with less than 2% false positive rates. Every warning light should be taken seriously. Regular maintenance and attention to early warning signs can prevent costly repairs and ensure your safety systems function when needed.